I really love the root smudger because it's really quick and easy to use. You just take the lid off, give it a little twist. That's on, press, and you can see the product coming out, and then you're ready to apply. Now, what I love about this is it just gives a denser coverage to the roots. So when I'm really feeling like I haven't got time to rush to the hairdressers or colour my hair, I can just cover it up really easily. What I also love is I can put this on dry hair, as I'm doing now, or I can put it on damp hair when I've just got out the shower and towel dried the hair. And then I give it a little blast with the hairdryer. So it really sets it in to the root. So once I've finished applying, all I need to do is give it a quick blast with the hairdryer, and it sets it.